Alex was a poor orphan boy. He lived alone in a broken wooden house in the quiet countryside. He had no parents, no family, and almost no food. People in the village knew him, but they ignored him. Some treated him badly, some acted like he didn't exist. Still, every day Alex worked small jobs to survive. Sometimes he earned a little food, sometimes nothing at all. Even though life was hard, Alex had one thing left inside his heart. He talked to God in simple words. God, I don't ask for big things. I don't ask for riches or comfort. Just, please don't forget me. One hot afternoon, Alex worked all day for a strict man named Mr. Carter. Under the burning sun, he carried wood, fetched water, and lifted heavy sacks. His hands hurt, his body was tired, but he said nothing. At the end of the day, he received a small bag of food. To Alex, this bag was like treasure. On the way home, a group of older boys stopped him. They laughed at him, pushed him, and threw his food onto the ground. Alex felt small and hurt inside. With shaking hands, he picked up what he could. He looked up at the sky and whispered, God, I know others suffer more than me, but am I so small that you can't see me? Please give me strength not to become like them. His heart felt heavy, but he still chose kindness. The path home passed by a quiet river. Alex saw an old man sitting on a rock. He looked weak, tired, and hungry. Good evening, son, the old man said softly. Do you have something to share? I have not eaten today. Alex looked at his bag. The little food he had left. He remembered his mother's words. When you give from the heart, you never end up empty. Alex felt nervous. His food was already so little, but he wanted to help. He took the best piece of bread, cleaned it carefully, and gave it to the old man. The old man smiled and ate slowly. Thank you, son. You are kind. Alex felt warmth in his heart. For the first time that day, he felt proud of himself. The old man asked Alex to help him walk. They moved slowly under the trees. Then the old man stopped. He looked at Alex with eyes full of light. Alex, he said gently, do you know who you walked with today? With you, sir, Alex said, with a tired old man. The man's face slowly shone with a warm golden light. I have walked with you long before today. I was with you the nights you cried alone. I heard your prayers when no one else did. I saw every tear. Alex felt his heart shaking. I only prayed to God, he whispered. The old man smiled and said, I am the one who never left your side. I am your God. Alex fell to his knees in tears. I thought you forgot me. No, God answered kindly, touching his head. I never abandoned you. You chose kindness even in pain. And today you helped me when you thought I was a stranger. Then God touched Alex's food bag. It became heavy. Inside were fresh bread, rice, potatoes, and fruit. What you give in love, God said, I return multiplied. Alex walked home with a full bag and a peaceful heart. From that day on, people saw a new light in him. Good people came to help him. He learned a skill, found honest work, and studied. Life was still not perfect, but he never felt alone again. Every time he walked by the river, he remembered the place where God walked with him. Alex's story is also for you. Maybe you feel forgotten. Maybe life feels hard. Maybe you give more than you receive. But remember this, God sees your kindness. God sees your quiet tears. God multiplies what you give with love. You are never walking alone. Sometimes God comes not in loud miracles, but as a tired stranger, a quiet moment, or a small choice to do good. Your kindness matters. Your heart matters. And one day, doors will open where you once saw only walls.